दुर्जनः परहर्तव्यः विद्या लवोऽपि सनः मणि न भूषितः सर्प किम सोन भयंकरः। विद्या से अलंकृत हुआ अर्थात जो विद्वान है किंतु दुष्ट प्रवृत्ति का है उसे छोड़ देना चाहिए। क्या मणि से भूषित सर्प भयंकर नहीं होता, अर्थात मणि से भूषित सर्प भी डसता है। आइदर द पर्सन मे बी वेरी रिच, he will be very intelligent, but he has the vices, he has very bad habits. We must have to avoid him. We should not to company of him because he will harm us very much. सर्प दुर्जनस्य यो मध्ये वरम सर्पो न दुर्जनः सर्पो दशति कालेन दुर्जनस्य पदे पदे। सांप और दुष्ट व्यक्ति में सांप श्रेष्ठ होता है, दुर्जन श्रेष्ठ नहीं होता, क्योंकि सांप तो एक समय पर ही डसता है परंतु दुर्जन पग पग पर डसता है। The big person, the person who has vices is more dangerous than the poisonous snake. Snake bites only one time, but the big person bites many times. Therefore, we should avoid the bad person, not accompany the bad person. The person who has bad habits, dishonesty, violence, backbiting, injustice, we have to avoid this. We have to accompany the truth. We have not company. We have not avoid. We have to avoid the bad company. कलह सर्पमात्राणि परिष्यति द्राणि पश्यति आत्मनो विप्लव मात्राणि पश्यन् न पश्यति। दोस्त दूसरों की सरसों की दाने की तरह की बुराई भी देख लेता है, किंतु स्वयं की बेल पत्थर के समान बुराई को देखते हुए भी नहीं देखता है। दूसरों की छोटी सी बुराई उसे बहुत बड़ी लगती है, लेकिन अपनी पहाड़ के बराबर की बुराई भी उसे दिखाई नहीं देती है। द wicked person, the sinner person, sees the others person's vices, their mistakes very small. He hyperbole very high, but others he does not see. He sees only others' mistakes, not his mistake. Therefore, the purpose of Sanskrit, all the students have to learn the sloks and also sense of the what is the sense of the slok. Then the Hindi sense of all the students and also try to translate into Hindi. Therefore, in the three languages you can understand these sloks are very precious of the divine language, our Sanskriti. All these students have to be attentively doing this and also improve the three languages giving Hindi, English, Sanskriti. All these students must have you the command that you will be explain anything fluency, not by anyone is speaking Hindi. You can change fluency of the English without seeing any books. You can explain into English, learn more and more words. Don't be ignored. These are the all classes have to attentively doing these English words, explaining, expressing into fluency of English. Sanskrit sloks you have changed to Hindi and English, both languages.